Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the Seven Sisters of India? Imagine a region where natural beauty unfolds in the form of majestic mountains, lush green valleys, and vibrant exotic flora and fauna. This is the realm of the Seven Sisters, the northeastern states of India: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. Each state, unique in its character, paints a picture of diversity, teeming with rich history, dynamic cultures, and vibrant traditions. From the lush tea gardens of Assam to the breathtaking waterfalls of Meghalaya, the tribal heritage of Nagaland to the exotic wildlife of Arunachal Pradesh, the Seven Sisters promise a kaleidoscope of experiences to any intrepid traveler. As we journey through these enchanting lands, we'll discover the soul of India in its rawest and most captivating form. So pack your bags and strap on your boots as we embark on an unforgettable journey filled with adventure, discovery, and awe-inspiring experiences. Start your journey from the gateway to the northeast, Guwahati. As the heart of Assam, this bustling city is your stepping stone to the unexplored realms of the Seven Sisters. The journey begins with a flight from the capital city of Delhi. As the plane descends, catch a glimpse of the mighty Brahmaputra River winding its way through the city like a silver ribbon. Upon touching down, the balmy air, filled with the scent of fresh tea leaves, greets you. The city's energy is infectious, its streets thrumming with life. The day is spent checking into your hotel, settling in, and resting from your journey. Maybe take a leisurely stroll around the neighborhood, get a feel for the city, its people, and its pulsating culture. But remember to hit the hay early. Rest well as the real adventure begins tomorrow. Welcome to Shillong, the Scotland of the East. This quaint hill station, nestled in the lap of Meghalaya, has an irresistible charm that mesmerizes everyone who sets foot here. As you journey from Guwahati, the verdant hills, silhouetted against the azure sky, make for a scenic drive that's no less than a visual treat. Shillong, with its picturesque landscapes, is a nature lover's paradise. The city is home to Umiam Lake, a beautiful man-made reservoir that mirrors the cerulean sky. The Elephant Falls, a three-tier waterfall, is another awe-inspiring sight where the water cascades down with a deafening roar, creating an atmosphere of tranquility. The city stands at an altitude of nearly 5,000 feet, and the Shillong Peak, the highest point in the state, offers panoramic views of the city and beyond. On a clear day, you can see the plains of Bangladesh from here. In the heart of Shillong, you'll find the Don Bosco Museum, a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Northeast. Its 7 floors are dedicated to the indigenous cultures, art, and history of the region. And let's not forget about the local markets. Shillong's bustling bazaars are a shopper's delight, offering everything from hand-woven shawls to bamboo handicrafts. The local markets are also a gastronomic paradise. Here you can indulge in authentic Khasi cuisine, known for its unique flavors and ingredients. Try jado, a popular dish made with rice and pork, or pumaloi, a steamed rice cake, to get a taste of the local culture. But the true charm of Shillong lies not just in its scenic beauty or vibrant markets, but in its warm and hospitable people. To experience Meghalaya's hospitality, consider staying in a cozy homestay. The hosts go out of their way to make you feel at home, and it's an experience that you'll cherish long after you've left the city. So come, explore, and lose yourself in the charm of Shillong. Experience Meghalaya's hospitality with a cozy homestay. Next, journey to Cherrapunji, one of the wettest places on Earth. Known for its lush greenery and heavy rainfall, this place is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. In Cherrapunji, you can't miss the spellbinding Nokkalikai Falls, cascading from a height of about 1,300 feet, making it the tallest plunge waterfall in India. A sight of such magnificence, it's as if the clouds themselves are pouring their heart out. Then, there's the Seven Sisters Falls, a spectacular 7-segmented waterfall which becomes a sight to behold during the monsoon season. The falls get their name from the 7 states of northeast India, symbolizing the unity among them. Cherrapunji also houses the mysterious Mausmai Cave. This limestone cave is a natural wonder, With its intricate formations, narrow passages, and dark crevices, it invites the curious souls to explore its depths and discover its secrets. But the crowning glory of Cherrapunji has to be the double-decker living root bridge. This unique bridge is not built, but grown from the aerial roots of ancient rubber trees. It's a testament to mankind's harmony with nature, standing strong for over 200 years and still growing. Now, let's delve into the beauty of Meghalaya's countryside. The rolling green hills, the misty valleys, and the serene villages, each offering a slice of tranquility. The biodiversity of this region is equally impressive. From rare orchids to exotic birds, this green haven is a treat for all the senses. The local Khasi communities have lived here for generations, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Their sustainable practices and deep respect for the environment are something we can all learn from. And as you wander through this green paradise, let the sounds of nature be your symphony, the cool breeze your companion, and the enchanting views your muse. This is Cherrapunji, a place where nature paints its masterpiece in hues of green and blue. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the lush landscapes. Let Cherrapunji captivate your heart and soul and leave you with memories of a lifetime. Get ready for a thrilling safari at Kaziranga National Park. As the dawn breaks, our journey takes us from the lush greenery of Cherrapunji to the heart of Assam, to Kaziranga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This place is a testament to the rich biodiversity of India, a sanctuary where nature thrives in its rawest form. Imagine cruising through verdant grasslands and dense forests, every corner teeming with life. The park is a haven for the majestic one-horned rhinoceros, a species unique to this part of the world. As we traverse the rugged terrains, keep your eyes peeled for the sight of elephants trumpeting in the distance, tigers prowling in their majestic gait, and a plethora of bird species adding a melodious symphony to the adventure. But Kaziranga is not just about its wildlife. It's also about the taste and aroma of Assam's tea culture. We take a detour to the nearby tea estates, where the endless rows of tea bushes present a sight to behold. Here we learn about the intricate process of tea production, from plucking the tender leaves to the final brew that warms millions of hearts around the world. The taste of fresh Assamese tea brewed from leaves that were just in the garden a few hours ago is an experience in itself. As the sun sets, we retreat to a jungle resort, nestling amidst the wilderness. The resort offers a unique chance to stay close to nature while enjoying the comforts of modern amenities. The night is filled with the music of the wild, the rustling leaves, the hooting owls, and the occasional roars echoing in the distance. It's a symphony that reminds us of the wild and untamed spirit of Kaziranga. Kaziranga is not just a national park, it is a world where nature and wildlife coexist in a beautiful harmony, a place that captures the wild side of Assam in its purest form. Experience the wild side of Assam at Kaziranga. Travel to Majuli, the world's largest river island, and Kohima, the rich tribal heritage hub. Our journey now takes us to the enchanting lands of Majuli and Kohima, each boasting its unique cultural charm and natural beauty. Majuli, nestled in the heart of the mighty Brahmaputra River, is a world unto itself. This river island is more than just a geographical marvel, it's a vibrant cultural trove. As we wander through the island, we encounter the Vaishnavite satras, monastic centers that have been preserving and promoting the teachings of the 15th century saint, Srimanta Sankardeva. The rhythmic beats of cymbals and the soulful melodies of devotional songs echo through the satras, touching every heart that listens. Majuli is also home to the Mishing tribe, whose traditional bamboo stilt houses and colorful hand-woven textiles paint a picture of life that is simple, yet rich. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, we find ourselves savoring local Assamese cuisine. Its flavors a delightful fusion of indigenous ingredients and traditional cooking methods. From the river island of Majuli, we journey to the highlands of Nagaland, to its capital city, Kohima. Kohima is not just a city, it's a living museum of the rich tribal heritage of Nagaland. Our exploration takes us to the Kohima War Cemetery, a solemn reminder of the Battle of Kohima during World War II. Each stone here tells a story of courage and sacrifice. Beyond the city limits, traditional Naga villages open their doors to us, offering a glimpse into a world that has remained largely untouched by the passage of time. The Naga cuisine, known for its fiery flavors and unique ingredients like bamboo shoot and fermented soybeans, is a culinary adventure in itself. Dive into the rich cultural tapestry of Majuli and Kohima. Each step in these lands is a step into the past, a step closer to understanding the diverse cultures that make India's northeast a treasure trove of experiences. It's not just a journey, it's an exploration of life in its most vibrant and authentic forms. Conclude your journey with the scenic beauty of Imphal and the tea city of Dibrugarh. Imphal, the capital city of Manipur, stands as a shining gem of northeast India, captivating visitors with its scenic beauty and rich cultural heritage. As you wander through the city, the majestic Kangla Fort calls to you, whispering tales of a time long past. The Loktak Lake, a shimmering mirror of the sky, enchants you with its serene beauty. The Shri Govindaji Temple, a sacred sanctuary of spirituality, welcomes you with open arms, and the Ima Keithal, Mother's Market, a bustling hub of commerce and community, offers a glimpse into the everyday life of the Manipuri women. After a day of exploration, find respite in a traditional Manipuri guest house. Let the rich tapestry of Manipuri dance and music forms lull you into a peaceful sleep as you dream of the adventures that the next day promises. As dawn breaks, you embark on the final leg of your journey, Dibrugarh, known as the Tea City of India. The city, nestled in the heart of Assam, invites you to wander through its sprawling tea gardens, where the air is sweet with the scent of fresh leaves. Here, you can witness the process of tea production, from the plucking of leaves to the brewing of that perfect cup. The vibrant local markets of Dibrugarh beckon you next, their stalls brimming with Assamese delicacies, traditional crafts, and unique souvenirs. As you explore, the city bids you a warm farewell, its streets echoing with the sounds of life and laughter. Finally, the time comes to depart for Delhi, leaving behind the Seven Sisters but taking with you a heart full of memories and a soul enriched with experiences. As your plane takes flight, you look back one last time, promising to return to this realm of beauty and culture. End this unforgettable journey with a heart full of memories and a soul enriched with experiences.